Oh, we didn't do an intro.
We're about to. Alright, let's meet over by green.
I'm by blue. Wait, never mind, I'm by green. Hi, big boy. Oh, that skin is hideous.
Yo, what is up? Move out my way. Yo, what it?
No, I'm godlike.
So today we are gonna do the no gold challenge.
Wait, for real?
Yes.
No, I was gonna do the gold challenge.
No, we're gonna do the.
No, I was gonna, you're gonna do the. I mean, bro, you're gonna do the only.
I hate this new joystick.
You're gonna do the no gold challenge, and I'm gonna do the no iron challenge.
In the comment section below, please tell me how you get rid of this joystick.
It sucks.
Alright, I quit. Bye.
Why?
Until I get a new joystick. This is ridiculous.
Bro.
I want the old one.
Okay.
Not this one, because you look, I could just go in a complete circle. This sucks. Alright.
Hi.
Sorry, bye.
Here.